In this video today, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to start affiliate marketing without a following, without an audience, and even without an email list. Now, the fact of the matter is that a lot of you guys that are learning affiliate marketing from these big marketers, from these big gurus, they do have a big social media following, they do have a big email list, and it's very easy for them to send out a video or type up a quick email and make hundreds, if not thousands of dollars in a single day. But for 95% of you guys that might be watching this video, you may not have an audience, you may not have a social media following, you may not have the big email list. So what do you do? How do you actually start making money with affiliate marketing and generating commissions? So in this video today, I'm going to be giving you guys that answer. I'm actually going to be showing you guys some examples of what you can actually do to actually start generating commissions. So stay tuned. We're starting right now. Hey, so if this is the very first time you come to the channel, my name is McNeil, and on this channel we teach you all about affiliate marketing and making money online. So definitely subscribe to the channel if that's something that interests you. Join the family, hit that like button because we give out a lot of great free content on how to build your business online. And speaking of that, if you are looking to build a profitable business online, I do have a 30-day free boot camp. I'm teaching you how to do affiliate marketing. It will be the first link in the description. Go ahead and check that out if you're looking to build a business online. So let's go and jump into the meat and potatoes of this actual video. So how do you actually start doing affiliate marketing without the audience, without the following, without the big email list? And the fact of the matter is that there's millions of people that are out there searching online via Google, via YouTube, and they're trying to find out information. They're trying to solve a problem. And the way that you can actually start generating affiliate commissions is by getting in front of that traffic. So you don't need the actual following, you don't need the email list, although those really help out. But if you can actually create content, videos specifically around specific key terms that millions of people are already searching online, and you can get your videos in front of those individuals, you can actually still make money with affiliate marketing, and you can start there and start building your audience, building your email list from there while you're making some money. So in this video, I want to go ahead and jump onto my laptop and I want to show you guys some examples of what I'm talking about. As you guys know, the last couple of weeks, I've been talking a lot about solo ads. So I want to show you guys what I've done in terms of creating some videos around solo ads and where my videos actually rank from. So it's going to jump onto my laptop and I want to go ahead and show you what this actually looks like. So I'm in the incognito window on YouTube, so it's not pulling from my personal results, and I want to go ahead and search one of the key terms that I've been targeting with some of my video content. So the first one I'll look up is, let's do best solo ad vendors. So that was one of the keyword terms that I was targeting, and you can see here that I have my video that's number one that says best solo ad providers for affiliate marketing in 2024. So that's me actually kind of targeting one of those keyword terms and just creating a video about it. And then obviously I'm giving some recommendations of solo ad vendors, and that video has resulted in a lot of commissions for people that are trying out some of the vendors that I personally tried out and used and that have given me great success. So it's about giving some value, but also targeting those actual keyword terms that people are already searching for. And if I scroll down, I might even have another video here. Like you can see best solo ad vendors for affiliate marketing. So this is another video. So I could have a couple different videos coming up. So I just did a video a couple days ago on how to make money with solo ads. This video comes up second, and it's a video that I actually did 3 months ago. The video that I did a few days ago actually comes up down here. So you can see they're still getting some traction, but I already have a video that is in the number 2 spot. And you can see that, you know, this video is relatively new, and this video here is, you know, older. And a lot of these videos are coming up over big marketers that have a bigger subscribership, that have a bigger audience than me, but that doesn't matter. So being that these other marketers may have more subscribers than me, they may have a bigger email list than me, I can still get my content in front of thousands and thousands of people that are searching this particular key term. And if they click on my video and they watch my content and they get some value from my content, the vendors that I recommend, the tools that I recommend, the services that I might recommend in that video, I can generate affiliate commissions from that. So all of this is fair game. Again, you don't have to be the biggest YouTuber. You don't have to have the biggest audience. You don't have to have the hugest email list. You can actually start by creating some content and actually just getting your content out there and then driving traffic, because the traffic is already there. You just need to put your content in front of the traffic, right? And so what you really want to do is you want to target different keyword terms. So like I'm targeting long tail keyword terms that talk about solo ads. But if you just look at like solo ads, this actual base word, you can see that there's a lot of different keyword terms that might come up as suggestions. So you have like solo ads for affiliate marketing, solo ads review, solo ads tutorial, solo ads traffic, solo ads results, solo ads for ClickBank. So here's a number of different video topics that you could actually create some content around. So if you're actually doing solo ads in your business, you can actually create content about that. You can create content about a really good campaign or a really bad campaign, or maybe you learned something and you want to teach that. And again, guys, if you create this content, people are going to find the content. Some people are going to resonate with you and you're going to start generating sales. Now, while you're actually creating this content, the best thing to do is obviously drive those people to a landing page where you can actually start building your email list, because you do want to build your email list eventually, right? You just don't want to not build it at all. So you want to build your email list. You want to offer some content. You want to offer some sort of free ethical bribe that will get them onto your email list, maybe some training, a PDF, an ebook, some video training that you can entice them to go ahead and jump onto your email list so you can build your list. And you can start a social media following. You can start TikTok, you can start YouTube, obviously, you can start a blog. These are all different methods that you can actually start building up a subscribership base. So you can start building your audience. And I think that it's important that you do that, because it's just going to make things much easier down the line. But if you're just starting out, just don't give up and say, oh, just because I don't have a following, or I don't have 10,000 subscribers on YouTube, or I don't have 20,000 people on my email list, I just can't do it. And the fact of the matter is, guys, like everybody starts from zero. Like I started my email list from zero. I started my YouTube list from zero. And again, I'm not a big YouTuber, but the stuff works. And you don't have to be a huge YouTuber. You don't have to have a huge list to generate significant income with your affiliate marketing business. So I wanted to just encourage you guys, again, to just get started. There's a lot of things that you can do to actually start generating commissions if you're a brand spanking new beginner. I will encourage you guys, again, to go ahead in the link in the description and start that free 30-day bootcamp for affiliate marketing. It can definitely help you out. It's going to help you out with starting your business from scratch. So highly recommend that you go ahead and check that out. So that's all I have for you guys today in this video. If you have any questions, make sure you leave it in the comment section. Go ahead and tap that like button, guys, if you got any value from this, and go ahead and start creating some content, guys, around specific key terms that you're actually trying to sell your products and your services around. So it doesn't matter if it's a product, it doesn't matter if it's a tool or service or some sort of business opportunity. You can create content around specific key terms and rank those key terms in YouTube, in Google, and you can get traffic. And the last tip that I will try to give you guys is you want to try to create a vast variety of content. So I'm not just going to make one video about the best solo ad vendors. I might make 5 or 6 videos around those specific keyword terms. I might say one video could be best solo ad vendors, one could be best solo ad vendors for affiliate marketing. That could be a separate video. So you want to try to target variations of these keyword terms, and that's going to help you rank your videos a lot quicker, a lot faster, get you a lot more traffic, and get you sales. So again, I will end this video now before I go any longer, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.